I remember one day, and you and me in a pouring rain, water ran down my chin. So you pulled me close and you drank it in. I remember your ways, and you and me in a sad embrace. I remember a place where you pulled me close and you kissed my face. Will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever see you again. Oh, that was really pretty, sweetie. Thanks, sweetie. Hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and over here is Natasha BOOZHOO, and we're just playing the guitar and writing songs and that. And it occurred to me. What's that? This might be a good Ojibwe word of the day. Kids, if you're gonna write a song, you gotta write with feelings. You gotta write with INAMANJI'O. INAMANJI'O. You write with your feelings. And the elders say, if you use the MASHKIKI DETIBISED, if you use the medicine wheel to kind of work out your stuff, you should pay attention to not only your body, your mind, and your spirit, but also your INAMANJI'O, your feelings. So maybe today we can just these are some of the feelings a person can have, and the Ojibwe phrase. You want to do that? Yeah. Okay. So for starters, it makes me really happy to teach Ojibwe. So I'm happy. NIMENWENDAM. I'm happy. All right, honey. You want to do one? Okay. Well, let me think. Oh, I know. Sometimes I get sad. NINGASHKENDAM. I'm sad. Oh, woe is me. I'm sad. Oh, that's too bad, honey. Yeah. All right. How about you guys? Can you help us with the Ojibwe words for an emotion? Yeah, I know one. Okay. Which one do you know, Benjamin? How about NINISHKAADIZ? I'm angry. Oh, I get so angry sometimes. Are you really? No, not really. I just said that so I could, illustrate the word. NINISHKAADIZ. I am angry. Oh, yeah. And then let's see. Sometimes at night when I'm falling asleep, I start to think of monsters, and I get scared, and I go, Ningotaj. I'm scared. I'm afraid. Ningotaj. Anamush, do you know any Ojibwe words for feelings? I believe I do, sir. How about NIMBAKADE? I am hungry. Is that an emotion, hunger? Yeah, I think it is. Well then, NIMBAKADE. I am hungry, which I am, sir. Why don't we wrap this up and get some breakfast? You know what? I think that's a great idea, Anamush. Hey, Natasha, you wanna send us out? Yeah, sure, I'll do that. Okay then. Well, hey, thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is Nana BOOZHOO, and that's Anamush and Benjamin. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin, min, minawa. How?